How to export Claude Chat to Word? Alright, so let's dive in. First of all, just open your Claude software on browser or desktop. Sorry, on desktop it will not work. It will only work on browser. Alright, now open a new tab. Go on Chrome Web Extension. Click on Chrome Web Store. Now here search Claude Exporter. Okay, now make sure to download this extension Claude Exporter, Claude Chat to PDF, Notion, Word and more. Now click on Add to Chrome, click on Add Extension, go on Claude. Now click on this puzzle icon right over here and make sure to pin this extension. Alright, now reload the page. As you can see, these options are appearing right over here. Now select this one, Export to Word. As you can see, this is showing because I have not selected a chat yet. So I'm going to make a chat. Okay, now click on it. Wait for it. And as you can see, this is how you can export a Claude Chat to Word. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.